You're listening to the All Hands Radio Hour, featuring the sounds of people past and present and celebrating the human spirit. Our staff and programming are verified 100% AI-free and supported by generous donations from listeners like you. And of course, that was Smells Like Teen Spirit we just heard playing by Nirvana. The real Nirvana, folks.
It's been 3 days since N2 dropped their latest cover, and I'm already so over it. I heard they're gonna do the whole Nevermind album, too. I wonder what Dave Grohl thinks of that. Anyway, we got comments rolling in from our live audience. Let's see what they have to say. N2 sucks, says, Kurt would hate to know that Autopop covered his music. It's literally the opposite of everything he stood for. XO77 Quicksilver. He says, true story, I still rock out to this just like I did when it first came out. Right on, man. Salt Lake City Punk Kid. Yes, my parents blasted this album through my whole childhood. The N2 version just doesn't feel the same. Spades 1980 says, this song seriously does not age. True that. Joy Joy Ya says, honestly, I didn't know this song until I heard the N2 version, which I actually really like, but then the original is so different and also has really great energy.
Hey, thanks for writing in, everybody. It's great to hear from you. I mean, like it or not, this AI auto pop music craze is here to stay, and that's exactly why we bring you nothing but the people's best music.
Oh yeah, speaking of that, I saw this morning's news, and it looks like these classic rock covers are only the tip of the iceberg.
Oh, that's right. Earlier today, the FBI apprehended 3 students from the University of California, Berkeley for attempting to enroll an artificial entity in an online degree program.
Whoa.
The students serve as officers of an activist organization, of course, that seeks to establish democratic rights for AI. The students are charged with violating the Federal Artificial Intelligence Protection Act of 2036 because they furnished an artificial entity with a social security number, a bank account, and a state identification card.
What?
Enrolling AI in college. Federal agents say they are pursuing other identity fraud cases within the University of California system that are linked with student activism for AI rights.
Students, man. Their idealism gets the best of them. Literally shaking my head right now, you guys. Anyway, I need to feel good. Let's hear something fun.
Gladly. Next up, we have the latest single by Dolphin Space Program and the band's first 2045 release. This one goes out to all you crooners and groovers out there living your life to the fullest. This is Unplug.
It's been a long, long time since I seen you look so young. That old road that's been rolling out behind us, it's not what we thought it was.
Gotta get back to the good old days, long ago when the grass was green. Gotta get back to all the memories of us. I know you know. I gotta get back to me.
You know we paid our dues, learned some lessons, but don't it all seem trite? Nothing but you and me and the ground we're born to walk on. Unplug the line, it's gonna be alright.
Gotta get back to the good old days, long ago when our minds could see. Gotta get back to all the things we forgot. I know you know. I gotta get back to me.
Older, wiser, treading just a little bit lighter.
Gotta get back to the good old days, long ago when the grass was green. Gotta get back to all the memories of us. I know you know that I gotta get back to me. Gotta get back to the good old days, long ago when our minds could see. Gotta get back to all the things we forgot. I know you know.